Hi guys, so today let us make this delicious stew together. So for my ingredients I have tomato, pepper, onions, egg, fish, ugu, salt, maggi, spicy pepper, curry, thyme and all of that. So now I'm going to start by grinding my pepper, tomato and onions together. So here I'm going to start by prepping all my ingredients and I'll be starting with that. After that I'm going to get my pot, put my pot on fire, add oil to the pot, and I'm going to be frying my fish first because I want to use the fish oil to make this stew. So you can do separately, you can fry your fish or whatever you want to fry differently and then get a new oil to make your stew. But me, I am going to be using the same oil I used in frying my fish to make my stew. So yeah, so now after adding oil to the pot, once the oil is hot, you just have to go in with your fish. So yeah, the oil is not hot. So I had to wait till it's just hot a bit, then I went in with my fish so it doesn't start splashing everywhere. So after that, once your fish is ready and your other ingredients are ready also, you're going to start with the main cooking. So now you're going to get your oil on fire. Once the oil is hot, you're going to go in with your onions. So yeah, you add your onions to the hot oil on fire. Then after that you can add your ginger and garlic. You can either do the raw ginger and garlic you grinded, or you can do the ginger and garlic powder. So me, I went in with my ginger and garlic powder. So now after adding my ginger and garlic powder to my oil and I allowed it to sit there a bit, I went in with my blended tomato, pepper, onions and all of that. So now I'm just going to stir and I'm going to allow it sit down till the water inside dries up here. So I'm going to just allow it sit till at least it dries up. So while we're waiting for the water in the tomato to dry up, please do not forget to like, do not forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe if you've not. And after subscribing, kindly turn on the notification bell so that anytime we post a new video you will be notified. And feel free to take a tour on our channel, check our other videos. We have interesting content, so feel free to do that. Feel free to check out our channel and let us know if there's anything you would want to see on our channel. We would gladly do that. So next I went in with my thyme. So I went in with my thyme, then I went in with my curry, and after that I'll be going in with my spicy pepper. But if you're not a pepper fan or you're okay with the fresh pepper you added, no need to go in with extra pepper. But I love pepper, especially in my stew, and that was why I added extra spicy pepper to make sure the stew is actually pepperish. So yeah, I added curry, thyme and spicy pepper. So after adding all your ingredients, you just have to mix it and allow everything blend in, allow it to cook and cook well. Then after that you can now go in with if you have meat water, stock water, any water, you can go in with it and allow it to blend with it before going in with your seasoning cubes. So I went in with my seasoning cubes and I went in with my salt. So I said you should pour the water before going in with your salt and your seasoning cubes, because so that you'll be able to measure the ingredients in it, because yeah, you would have added salt and seasoning cubes to your meat water, chicken water, turkey water, so that the extra seasoning cubes and salt you'll be adding won't be too much, or you would know whether or not to add more to it. So make sure to go in with your stock water first before going in with your salt and seasoning cubes. So yeah, this is just water I am adding to it, nothing else, just water. So I rinsed the plate I used in pouring the tomato and all of that. So I just rinsed it with water and I added it to the stew. Now you can go in with your meat, your fish, your egg, your what's it called, turkey, your chicken, any of the above. You can go in with that now. So what we're going to be adding last is the leaf. So I'm going to be adding the leaf last to this stew. So yeah, I went in with my fish and I went in with my egg, before going in with my ugu. Yeah, the leaf I added to it was ugu. So this is the last thing we'll be adding to the stew, and that's our ugu leaf. So you just have to like add it to your stew, and then you mix everything together, and then you just allow it sit down for like 15 to 20 minutes. Allow it to cook well, let everything cook and blend together before taking off your stew. So if you've gotten to this part of the video, thank you, we love and appreciate you, and we hope you've hit that like button. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for staying with us till this part. We actually love and appreciate you. Please do not forget to subscribe. If you've not, feel free to share this video if you like it. So share it so that your friends, family, and every other person can see and learn one or two. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. I would love to know. And do not forget to let us know what video you would want to see on our channel. We have so many videos. We have different videos. We have hacks, we have vox pop, we have how to do so many things, we have easy recipes and all of that. But still, if there's a video you want to see that is not there, please let us know. If it is something we can do, we promise to deliver. But if it is something we can't do, we would let you know. So feel free to let us know in the comment section. But if you're too shy to be in the comment section, feel free to chat me up on Instagram, or you can use my email. So on Instagram I use the same name, Empress Blessing Bassey. So feel free to like chat me up there, or you can use my email. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day. We hope to see you on our next video and all of our videos. Please do come back to check out our channel for other interesting content. Have a nice day. Bye.